and you literally just have to move it in the... Oh, shit!
Hey, what's up? I'm Ignace, Aleya, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about what you can do with a 360 camera, some really cool and exciting effects that we will be taking you through right now. So let's go outside.
Alright, so we all know that drones are illegal at these days and they're like really strict and it's really hard to fly around and then the police comes and you can get into all kinds of problems. So that's why we're thinking I have all these monopods lying around. Whoa. I have all these monopods lying around and we were thinking, what if we would combine all of these together with this 360? Could be interesting. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Start with 1. It's already pretty crazy. We are only too far. Okay, so I'm going to turn this on here and make sound. So then we have the app. All right, so connect now. Right, it works. Okay, maybe this is not the best idea. Okay, this one, no. This one is bending. I think we managed to make our own drone with these poles. Can you get this entirely on the camera? Yeah. Is this even safe? No. Can we break the 360? Should I walk around? Oh shit. I felt something move. Okay. To be honest, I don't feel safe about this one. Yeah, let's take this one off. Okay, so we're going to fake a drone shot now. There we go. Oh. Wait, okay, I'm coming towards you. And you literally just have to move it in the... Oh, shit! It's heavy. It's heavy? Oh, yeah. It's really heavy. I made a beautiful video. So right now what we tried to do is the tiny world effect that you probably saw in music videos. It's a really cool effect that you can do a lot of creative things with it. And then the other thing that we tried to do is like a 360 rotation around myself. You don't really have to pay attention when you are filming with a 360 camera, which is really nice. You just point this in the direction you want, but you don't need to care about the orientation of the camera. You just point it wherever you want it to point at, and afterwards in post you can actually choose where you want the focus to be. So that's something really amazing, because if you would put a camera on there, you would need the lens to actually point in that direction, but here it really doesn't matter and you will always have the same subject. All right, so now I want to try something and I don't know if it's gonna work, so let's go and try it out. It's kind of the same but a little bit different. My audio gear is kind of in the back. So I started recording, it didn't react for a few seconds, so I hit it again, and then it started and it stopped, so it's a little bit of delay. And now for the famous bullet time effect that you know from the movies Matrix, they've put like hundreds of cameras in like a trail, and then all of these cameras were shooting, so it's a really tricky shot. But we're going to try and do this with one 360 camera, so let's see if we can do it. All we need is this monopod, and then Enzo is handing me over this thing here. I haven't used it before, so it's gonna be the first time that I'm going to be trying this out. I don't even know where I have to put it on. Okay, I thought so. So we're gonna screw this on here. I have to put the 360 in bullet mode through the app. I am really in love with the casing. It's so premium. It's really nice. Okay. Oh, oh yeah. Okay, here we go. Ready?
Good transitions.
All right, so the conclusion is this 360 is epic. I'm really in love with it. I would love to try and take it on travels, like diving in the Egyptian sea, seeing all these beautiful corals, and then be able to choose where you want it to look at. Well, it's super compact. You can easily take this with you everywhere you go. And the quality is insane. You can either choose to record in 360 or put the other modular set on there and then record in 4K, which is also crazy. We will actually be showing you a few clips of the other modular set. And yeah, it's really amazing. If you want to check this out for yourself, you can check it out with the link in the description below. Let's go back to the studio.
Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a like. Also be sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell if you want to stay notified with our upcoming videos. And until next time, create epic videos in 360.